Hello everyone, and we're back to Unit 5, Lesson 4, and this is the grammar lesson. It's about used to plus a verb, no ending. Okay, I don't know why these grammatical syntax rules or so on are just having this kind of names, but just let me put this one and just get start with it. We've got parts 1, 2, and 3, three parts on the same page. Now it says here, do you remember these sentences from the reading passage on page 72? Actually, I don't. Anyway, let's see what that's supposed to mean. Hamid used to be a farmer, but he is retired now. He used to look after his father's sheep, and his mother used to make remedies. Now, we use used to when something happened quite a long time ago in the past, either for quite a long time or again and again. So it's either for repeated actions or for something that takes a long duration. So, what is that supposed to be? Yes, I can hear somebody there speaking. And it is about just using used to here, as you can say. And there is a verb coming after used to. That's the same verb. So instead of saying his mother makes remedies or made remedies in the past, if she made them a lot of times or for some long duration, you can say his mother used to make remedies is the correct way to form your sentence. Now change these sentences and use used to instead of the past tense. So it goes, okay, everyone listen to stories. Okay, everyone used to listen to stories. And next one, we used to live in a traditional house. Oopsie. I don't know what's happening here. Traditional house. And then let's get to the next one. A well supplied the whole village. A well used to supply the whole village. And I traveled on camels and horses as a boy. I used to travel on camels and horses as a boy. And then it was a desert in Hamid's youth. It used to be a desert in his youth. Okay, oh sorry, Hamid's youth, whatever. Now let's move on to the next part, which is part 3. Don't use used to in a question or a negative. Use the past tense. Look at this conversation. Salim used to eat a lot when he was younger. What did he eat? Did he eat good food? No, he didn't eat good food. He used to eat junk food. Right, okay. So you're not going to say, what did he used to eat? No, what did he eat? Okay? And when it comes to negative, you wouldn't say, no, he didn't used to eat good food. No, it just doesn't work like that. It just works in a positive form sentence. So now say this conversation about John. John used to read books. What did he read? What books did he read? And then you can say, oh, let me just write it down for you guys. Ladies as well. Sorry, I just get used to some words. So you can say John used to read books, and then you can say what books did he read, and then you can say what did he read? Did he read books? Oh, okay. So you can say what did he read? Did he read books? It's just about mimicking the same style. So you can say no, he did not read books. He used to read newspapers. Okay, that's good. Now, as for the next one, John used to play football. And then you say, what Uh, did he play? Did he play basketball? And then you can say no, he did not play basketball. He used to play tennis, and I feel like a computer speaking now. Okay, because I have to talk and type at the same time. John used to, oopsie, travel a lot, but then you can say, where did he travel to? Did he travel to Europe? Oopsie. No, he did not. Okay, again, he used to travel to America, which is USA. Okay, thank you for following up. We finished with the grammar lesson today, did we? Oh, no, we didn't. I'm gonna continue with you guys here. Let's see. Pay attention, dear ladies. Look at the sentence which is in the past. Hamid lived in a traditional house as a youth, and Hamid used to live in a traditional house as a youth. So we cannot write the sentence again with used to, like Hamid went to Riyadh last week. He used to go to Riyadh last week. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, there's kind of this little note here telling you if it's an action that's happening one time in the past. So it is one time in the past. You cannot use used to. But if you've got many times in the past, then you can use used to. Okay? Especially when we got a word like last week, there is no used to because it's just one time action. Now write the following sentences in your copybook, whatever, maybe notepad or so, with used to, if it is possible. So let's see which one we can change and work out. Hamid was a farmer, but he is retired now. He used to be a farmer, but he's retired now. So he used to be, oopsie, farmer, but he retired now. Okay. And then as a youth, Hamid often observed his father. Okay, you can say he used to observe his father. And yeah, I can hear some voices just claiming there. I'm not using the exact same form of this sentence, but that would just still be okay for me. Because I know the difference, and I'm so just used to changing things for test mode and just explanation mode, but yeah, I should just write it perfectly for you. So let's get to the third one. Sorry, Hamid's mother fetched water from well. Okay. Now, number 4, Hamid retired last week. No, you cannot change it because it's last year. It's one-time activity. In the past, Hamid was here on Monday. That's the same. He's not there every Monday, so it just was one Monday. Khalid moved to his new house recently. It's also a one-time activity. He's not moving there all the time to new house. Okay. Khalid was a student at an agricultural college. And before he moved to his new house, Khalid had lived. Okay. When they were young, the children listened to stories um, from their mother. Okay. When they were young. So let's just continue. When they were young, the children used to listen to stories, and you can continue the sentence the way you want. And the family had traveled on foot because they got a car. The family used to travel, on foot before they got a car. Okay, I think we're done here with the grammar for today, so thank you for following up. We'll see you next time.